Hello everybody, welcome to another video. So today we're here outside this 2005 Mercedes ML. This one's a 350 with a 3.7 litre engine. I'm just mentioning that not because it's got anything to do with the video today really, but there's actually a few things that we're going to be doing on this car. So it's probably going to be like a series of videos on it, I imagine. So you know, if it's a car that you're interested in, you know, keep tuned, as they say. There's probably going to be more videos on it coming, but just a short little one I think today is just to fix or change the batteries on this key fob and resynchronize it. So basically, as you can see at the moment, it's not working. So I haven't really done any diag as such on it, but I'm sure it's probably just the batteries have gone dead on it. So basically I'm just going to go through changing the batteries and just resynchronizing it. Okay, so I'm just going to start by flipping the key out, and then just, how's the light? Is that showing all right? It's not great actually, is it? But I think just about good enough. And then it's going to prise the cover off like that. Whoa, that's interesting. There is no batteries in there. Well, that would explain why it's not working, but let's hope there isn't something else wrong with it. Okay, let me grab some batteries and put some in there. Okay, so this fob takes two of these CR2025s, and they need to be put in with the plus side, or the plus face facing up. So one and two, and then put the cover back on. Okay, so hopefully that's done. Let's get to the car and resynchronize it. So I'm just going to explain what the procedure is, and then we'll do it. So you need to put the key into the ignition, turn on the ignition. That's put to the stage where all the lights come on, but without actually starting the engine. Then turn the ignition back off, take the key out. Then within 10 seconds, you need to hold the lock button, this bigger one, press it in and hold it pressed in, whilst at the same time pressing this unlock one 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that, and then let go of both, and then press the lock one again. So all right, let's go ahead and give that a try. So ignition on, ignition off, and then within 10 seconds press and hold that one, then 1, 2, oops, oh, I'm going to start again because I accidentally let go of the lock one. So okay, let's start again. So ignition on, ignition off, press and hold the lock one, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then press the lock one. Cool. So I don't know if you guys heard that, but the door locks just went then. So let me just point at one of the door locks, and we'll do it again. So, oops, well, it's not that way. Okay, so that's the wrong one. So unlock, lock. Right. Okay, so yeah, just a quick easy one really, guys. So I thought I'll put this one out there because if you're looking to do this, you know, it's hopefully it'll be helpful to you. By the way, I think you might not need to do the synchronization procedure if the batteries have only just gone dead, and you know, you do the battery change quite quick. You might not need to do the synchronization procedure, but I think you will if the battery's been dead for a while, or you know, or maybe if you've like disconnected the car battery or something like that. So hopefully the information is helpful. And yeah, like I said, I think there's going to be more videos on this car coming. So you know, if you're interested, you know, subscribe or whatever. For notifications of those. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye bye.